and welcome to my channel, Stellar Guitarists. Today's lesson is all about the finger picking part of Havana. So this finger picking pattern is really great for any beginner wanting to explore and learn about fingerstyle picking. I would however suggest that if you have not watched my tutorial on the guitar chords for the song Havana, then I would suggest going and doing that first, and I'll post a link to that video in the description box below. For the picking part, you're going to need to put your capo onto the 3rd fret, and the picking pattern is going to revolve around those 3 chords that we learned in the strumming video. E minor, C major 7, and my easy B7 chord. Now on a side note, if you are a beginner to fingerstyle picking, then please be patient and be kind to yourself and gentle. This is a process. This video is a great introduction to learning how to pick, so you can rewind back and forth and play this video as much as you need to. I promise it'll be super rewarding once you get the hang of it. Let's hop into a close-up where I'll be breaking the pattern down into sections step by step. So the first section of our finger picking is going to be on our E minor chord. What you'll need to do is play your thumb on the E string, your index finger on the G string, your ring finger on the high E string, and your middle finger on the B string. The second chord shape we're going to move on to is our C major 7 shape. And for this chord, we only need to use our thumb on the A string and our ring finger on the E string. If we put those two together, and then for our last chord shape is our easy B7 shape. And we're going to be playing the A string with our thumb. Then we're going to go to our G string with our index finger. Our middle finger is going to play the B string. Back to our index finger. So up to there. We're then going to repeat the A string with our thumb. We're then going to remove our first finger from the string and bring it down to the B string in the 1st fret and pluck that, and then remove our finger and pluck the same string again. If I play the whole thing for you slowly from the beginning. I really hope that you're enjoying this video so far and that you're learning something valuable. Please hit that subscribe button and like this video. I really appreciate the support, so thank you very much. Also, please drop any song requests you have into the comment section below. I'd love to know which songs you guys would be interested in learning. Right, let's get back into the video and play through for a final time.